In this lesson, we'll show you how to choose safe cleaning products. Traditional cleaning products include potentially harmful chemicals, things like formaldehyde, dioxins, flatelates, triclosan, and parabens, and these have been linked to a whole host of problems, including allergies, hormone imbalances, and reproductive issues. The Environmental Working Group found that 75% of cleaning product ingredients are linked to breathing issues, 25% to cancer risk, 20% to kids' developmental problems, 10% to skin irritation, 10% to eye damage. There's a whole lot of harmful ingredients out there. So switching to non-toxic alternatives that are safe for you and your family is super important. Natural ingredients are equally effective. And remember, you don't need tons of products. Simplifying your products can cut out a bunch of unnecessary chemicals that you honestly really don't need. If finding cleaning products that are both safe and effective can be a bit of a tricky task, especially when so many brands lack transparency about what their ingredients even are. And moreover, it's important to be cautious of misleading marketing tactics because there's a whole bunch of them out there. So for instance, products marketed as fragrance-free, they might still contain harmful fragrances. They're just masked by neutralizing agents that only cover up the odors without actually eliminating the harmful compounds in the first place. So as I mentioned before, not every product claim should be taken as a guarantee of safety. A lot of it is just marketing. So when choosing products, keep the following things in mind. Look for full disclosure of ingredients. So this transparency allows you to assess the safety and the efficacy of the product so when you know what's in it. So checking the ingredients using resources like ewg.org, the Think, Dirty, or Chemical Maze apps, these can provide really great guidance on different products and what type of toxicity issues might be in those products. We want to avoid aerosol cans. These often contain volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and different propellants that can contribute to indoor air pollution and respiratory issues. Many cleaning products use industrial grade ingredients, and these can contain toxic metals. So choosing ones with food grade ingredients will also reduce your exposure. And looking for certifications from third-party organizations like Green Seal, Ecologo, these can indicate that the products meet some much more stringent environmental and safety standards than what's normally applied to this industry. Below, you can find a list of common ingredients in cleaning products that you should be avoiding. And remember to use the free databases like EWG, Think Dirty, and the Chemical Maze apps as much as possible. They're going to make this whole process a whole lot easier. You can also find a list of our product recommendations below. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about how you can make your own awesome natural cleaning products.